The title of the story, The Adventure of Two Friends. In a cozy little town nestled between rolling hills, there lived two best friends named Mia and Sam. Mia, with her curly hair and twinkling eyes, loved to explore, while Sam, with his glasses and love for books, enjoyed quiet adventures. One sunny day, Mia suggested they embark on an adventure to find the legendary treasure hidden deep in the forest. Excitedly, they packed snacks and set off into the unknown. As they journeyed through the forest, they encountered challenges, crossing a rickety bridge, deciphering clues hidden in ancient trees, and dodging mischievous squirrels. But through it all, Mia's bravery and Sam's cleverness helped them overcome every obstacle. Finally, they reached the heart of the forest, where a shimmering chest awaited them. With bated breath, they opened it to find not gold or jewels, but a note that read, "The real treasure is the friendship you share." From that day on, Mia and Sam knew that no matter where life took them, they would always have each other, ready to embark on new adventures together.